Hi students. Now fifth exercise. See the textbook page number 56. First Roman. Solve the following equations. First question. N by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. Find variable values. See this answer. So answer. Here n by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. See this total number send that side fraction. N by 5 equal to 2 by 3. Here minus is there, send that side, change it to plus. So n by 5 equal to here 3 7. Take LCM of denominator. 3 7s 21. Each and every fraction into LCM. 2 by 3 into 21. 3 7s 7 2s 14 plus 5 by 7 into 21. 7 3s 3 5s 15. So n by 5 equal to 14 plus 15 29 by 21. Here 5 is there, 5 also send that side. N equal to 29 by 21. Here divide is there, send that side, it will change it to multiply. So 5. 29 5s 145 by 21. Therefore n equal to 145 by 21. This is answer. Next. Second question. X by 3 minus x by 4 equal to 14. So here take LCM of denominator. 3 4 LCM 12. Each and every fraction into LCM. X by 3 into 12. 3 1s 3 4s 4x minus x by 4 into 12. 4 3s 3x equal to 14. 4x minus 3x 1x. X by 12 equal to 14. X equal to, here divide is there, send that side, multiply. 14 into 12. So x equal to 14 into 12, we get 168. This is answer. Next, third question. Z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 equal to 8. So here all our addition subtraction is there. Take LCM of denominator. 2 3 6 LCM 6. Each and every fraction into LCM. Z by 2 into 6. 2 1s 2 3s. 3 into z 3z plus z by 3 into 6. 3 1s 3 2s 2z minus z by 6 into 6. 6 6 get cancelled. Z equal to 8. Here observe 3z plus 2z 5z. 5z minus 1z 4z. 4z by 6 equal to 8. Z equal to, here 4 6 send that side, otherwise do here cancellation. 2 2s 2 3s. 2 by 3 send that side, change it to reciprocal. 3 by 2. So again here 2 1s 2 4s. Z equal to 4 3s 12. This is answer. Z equal to 12. Next. Fourth question. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 equal to 11 2 by 3. See here 3 5 LCM 15. Each and every fraction into LCM. 2p by 3 into 15. 3 1s 3 5s 5 2s 10. 10p minus p by 5 into 15. 5 1s 5 3s. 3 into p 3p equal to, here mixed fraction convert into improper. 11 3 is 33. 33 plus 2 35 by 3. Next here 10 minus 3 7. 7p by 15 equal to 35 by 3. P equal to 35 by 3 into, here 7 by 15 changed reciprocal, means multiply divide divide multiply, means 15 by 7. Here cancellation is there, 7 ones, 7 fives and 3 ones, 3 fives 15. So numerator, what is there? 5 into 5, we get 25. 5 fives 25. Therefore, P equal to 25. This is answer. Next, fifth question. 9 1 by 4 equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. Answer. 9 1 by 4 equal to y minus 1 1 by 3. So mixed fraction, convert into improper. So 4 9s 36 plus 1. 37 by 4 equal to y minus 3 1s 3, 3 plus 1. 4 by 3. So y equal to, here this fraction send that side, otherwise this fraction send this side, means 37 by 4, this one send this side, minus is there, plus 4 by 3 equal to 4 3 LCM 12. So each and every fraction into LCM. 37 by 4 into 12, 4 ones 4 threes, 37 threes 1 1 1 plus 4 by 3 into 12, 3 ones 3 fours, 4 fours 16. So 111 plus 16, 127 by 12. Therefore, y equal to 127 by 12. This is answer. Next, sixth question. X by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equal to 1 by 5. See here, constant to send that side. X by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 equal to 1 by 5. Here minus fraction send that side, plus 4 by 5. See here, observe 2, 5, 10 LCM 10. Each and every fraction into LCM. X by 2 into 10, 2 ones 2 fives, 5 ones 5. X is there, x right. Plus x by 5 into 10, 5 ones 5 twos, 2x. Plus 3 by 10 into 10, 10 10 get cancelled, 3 as it is, x is there, write 3x equal to, here 5 5 like fractions, 5 take 1 plus 4. Next 5 plus 2 plus 3, what answer? 10. 10x by 10 equal to 5 by 5. Here 5 5 get cancelled, here also 10 10 get cancelled. Finally x equal to 1. This is answer. Seventh question. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Here total fractions send that side, x term send this side. X by 2, here plus is there, change it to minus, equal to 1 by 2, here minus fraction total send that side, plus 1 by 4. Here 2 3 LCM 6, each and every fraction into LCM. X by 2 into 6, 2 ones 2 threes, 3 into x 3x, minus here 3 ones 3 twos, 2x equal to, here what LCM? 4. 1 by 2 into 4, 2 ones 2 twos, 2 into 1 2, plus 1 by 4 into 4, 4 4 get cancelled, 1. 3 minus 2 1 means 1x. X by 6 equal to 3 by 4. X equal to 3 by 4 into 6. Here cancellation is there, 2 twos, 2 threes, 3 threes, 9. Therefore, x equal to 9. X equal to 9. This is answer. Here 3 3 is 9, by 2 also is there. Sorry. So here cancellation is there, 9 by 2. X value 9 by 2. Eighth question. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. Here, do cross multiply. 3 with this number multiply, minus 2 this number multiply. Do cross multiply. 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Do product this number. 3 2's 6. 6x minus 3 3's 9 equal to minus 2 into 3x minus 6x plus into minus minus 2 2's 4. Here observe 6x. Send this side minus 6x. Send this side 6x plus 6x equal to minus 4. Here minus 9. Send that side. Plus 9. 6 plus 6. 12x equal to 9 minus 4. 5. So now x equal to 5 by 12. So therefore x equal to 5 by 12. This is answer.